guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what is trending on Pinterest and how to use what is trending on Pinterest to make sure your profile is stand out from the crowd. So first of all, as you know, we're in October, so this is a very, very busy month and we have Halloween. So I'm not quite sure about you, but I actually love Halloween. I like Halloween, and what is good for you to do is actually to use to make sure that your graphic designs, at least they have the colors of the Halloween, or later on Christmas, because we have Halloween, we have Thanksgiving, and then we have Christmas, and it's gonna be actually a very, very busy month. And it was from last month, since usually, as you know, um, the busy period, or the campaigns and period on Pinterest, it starts like from June or July, but this season started much earlier, because what I think is because of the virus and people stayed home, so they make sure the shirts, the products earlier, plus the deliveries and everything. So what I think you should do is, first of all, go to your main dashboard, and as you can see, I'm not sure if you notice that they have changed a little bit the profile here. That, remember that we have on the top the little catalog that you press the arrows and go on the right, on the left. Now we have the little highlight here with the board that you choose. 3, 4, 5 on my board. Remember that you choose your boards at the beginning, so they have changed now. So then you have your boards, and then you have your pins. So you can check it out if you haven't noticed yet, because there's a lot of changes. And also here you have the business hub, and then you have the home feed, and then you have how to create a pin, quick cut, create campaign. You have your analytics and your ads, all the way, everything about ads. This is a catalog, but I talk about that on my Promote a Pins course, and there's a free course if you want to take it, and I hope you register and you enjoy, and you will learn a lot. It's a lot of SEO strategies, and also a lot of Pinterest marketing strategies, what to do, what to not to do, and it's 4-day challenge. So the link is below. You can actually check it out. Then you go here on analytics, and then you press on trends. And as you can see, since from last month, it was a lot of things like fall outfits, Halloween costumes. As you can see, there's a lot of parties like trending, like Halloween parties, outdoor parties, Christmas parties, and soup recipes, cinnamon, everything about Christmas already. So you should be checking it out. And remember, fall decor, here we are. This is very, very big actually. And you have ports, Halloween, you have ports ideas, and there's a lot of party ideas. And you need to check it out, and remember that I have a video about it. So you need to learn how to master Pinterest algorithm, guys, because you need to actually understand how Pinterest is working, because the reason a lot of people that fail on Pinterest is because they don't understand the algorithm, and they're always trying to, for example, a lot of people, they don't know what they're doing, they're pinning the opinion, and then they get a lot of views, and then the morning they say, oh, why my views are falling, my repins, so to get traffic. But you see, that is the thing, that you need to understand the Pinterest users algorithm, and rather than stressing, or rather than doing whatever you think is right for you to do, and you struggle. So if you want to learn about Pinterest, or how to grow a sustainable income, and not to have like one sale every 4 months, then I definitely advise you to take my course. Now, what you can do with all those things that are actually trading, for example, if you are a food blogger, you can actually use all those things and to your advantage, like create a recipe perhaps, or what I do is to make sure, as I say, that the graphic designs, very similar colors, and the other things you can do is outdoor parties. If you have home decor company, you need to make sure that you check out the fall decor, you check out, Christmas decor, and all these ideas that are actually trading from last month. So you need to remember that we promote early, because the closer we get to Christmas, on Pinterest, the way it's working. So make sure you are planning ahead and make sure you're using those to your advantage. What I do is to pin a couple of pins with the color of the Halloween and Christmas festive season. For instance, I already pin a couple of pins. Here, I can show you it's a little bit red, and some of those are the ones I pinned today. And this is what you need to do. Actually, make sure that you are learning to grow and learn the algorithm, guys. If you don't do that, you're not gonna grow your business. This is what is trading at present, and you can use those into your advantages. I'm gonna take this way. Make sure you use it to grow account, and make sure your account stand out from the crown. So it's not gonna be like it's a bit slow. You're not gonna be lost in the algorithm changes. You need to learn how to grow your account correctly. So I'm just trying to show you, an example of what I mean. This is one of them that I pinned today. Where it just actually pinned a couple of hours, like a couple of hours ago. There's a lot of impressions, no saves, no links yet, but there's a lot of impressions. And that's very, very good, because this is what you need. Now, in a couple of days, those all of impressions, they're going to help me, push those latest pin. And this is one today, and this is today. So push all their profile to the top. So this is something you need to do. And always research, take ideas. And as I say, Pinterest trends is incredible. And before, we didn't have that. Pinterest is helping us a lot to grow our account. So you should be actually making money monthly from Pinterest, and you should be having a lot of subscribers. Now, this is it from today. Make sure to follow me on Pinterest, on Twitter. Have a like, have a subscribe to my channel, and share with me your experience or whatever you need. Leave your comments below if you need any help, and I wish you well.